Well, there are several barriers that make it difficult for a victim to leave an abusive relationship, but it's not impossible. As our experts and survivors tell us, having a well-thought-out strategy to leave is paramount. Denise Douglas has more.
I never want to tell somebody they have to leave an abusive situation, because that is a very dangerous time.
Many of the women who we have seen who were killed are killed when they try to leave. This means we need a safety plan.
Family Crisis Center, we do something that's called safety planning. If you call our hotline and you're in that position, maybe today is not the day you leave. We might plan that with you for 30 days out. Maybe the kids are going back to school and that's the only time you can leave the house. So we might walk you through how you can get the kids from school, secure all the vital documents, open up another bank account, open up a separate email account, store some clothes at a friend's or relative's house that they know nothing about. These are some really critical steps that people need to start to plan their exit.
Experts say friends and family need to respect that not all domestic violence victims want to end their relationships.
The question is, well, why would she stay? You know, she must like it or she must want that to happen. No one wants or deserves to be abused. Unfortunately, it's a situation that once you're there, it's very difficult to get out. I just caution people to not judge when they find out or learn that someone has been in an abusive relationship. If anything, do the opposite. Just reach out and ask them if there's anything you can do to help.
Some local government officials are working with various organizations and the faith-based community to help counsel women and men on partner abuse.
I have a good number of women who have come before me in court who have been injured. And these women say, I'm here to rescind my protection because I'm going to meet with my pastor this week. And that gave me the idea that I needed to talk to their pastors too. And so we went out to the faith community and we have partnered with them in a way that has been just marvelous. They have responded so well and allowed us to come in and train pastors and the ministerial staffs as to how to interface with members of their congregation, how to recognize certain signs.
Whether you decide to stay or leave, survivors say it's important to speak out on domestic violence.
You have to speak out. You cannot keep this silent. The longer you keep the darkness and you protect it in silence, it'll never end.
Say something. Say something. Get help. I know from a previous domestic situation that I was involved in, it's fear that paralyzes people, and you don't know where to go, who can I talk to, is he going to find me, is he going to hurt my family? Don't worry about the fear. Reach out and say something, because it could save your life and someone else's as well.
And later this month, CTV will air a 30-minute special report on domestic violence.